Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to Polymathletic, your go-to channel for educational content and self-improvement. I'm John, and today we're starting an exciting journey to learn practical French. This program is perfect for beginners at the A1 to A2 level. In this 4-week program, we'll cover essential topics and everyday conversations to help you build a strong foundation in French. Each session will be about 15 minutes long, with 2 sessions per week. So, the objective of this program is to provide beginners with a comprehensive and engaging introduction to the French language, covering levels A1 to A2 of the CEFR. This program aims to help learners build a solid foundation in French through practical conversation practice, monologues, and grammar reviews. The structure of each section consists of 4 parts. The first one is the theme. So each session will have a specific theme related to daily activities and interactions. The second part is a conversation practice, which takes around 5 minutes to practice. It will include a natural and engaging conversation between 2 characters, and then it might include 10 dialogues with English translations, focuses on practical and commonly used vocabulary and phrases. Then we have monologue practice, around 5 minutes, and this monologue is related to the session theme. Sentence by sentence presentation with English translations will also be available. And the last one is grammar review for 5 minutes. Discover key grammar points relevant to the session's theme, example sentences demonstrating the grammar points, and then practice exercises to reinforce the grammar learned will also be available and provided. So in today's session, we'll focus on basic greetings. This includes practical conversation practice, a monologue, and a grammar review. So let's get started. First, let's dive into a conversation practice. Imagine 2 friends meeting on the street. We'll go through the dialogue in both French and English. But first, I have a voiceover generated by AI. The sound may not be natural, but at least it can give us some sense of speaking French. So let's listen to it first, then we can practice by ourselves later. And I will also try to speak by my own voice.
Bonjour Paul. Comment salut Marie? Ça va bien et toi? Ça va. Merci. Tu as passé une bonne journée. Oui, c'était une journée agréable. Et toi, qu'as-tu fait aujourd'hui? Super. Tu veux prendre un café? Oui, avec plaisir. Allons-y. Alors, comment va ta famille? Ils vont bien, merci. Et ta sœur, comment va-t-elle? Elle va bien aussi. Elle étudie toujours à l'université. C'est bien. Quels sont tes plans pour le week-end? Je vais probablement faire du sport et me reposer.
Okay, now let's practice. Bonjour, Paul. Comment ça va? It means, hello, Paul. How are you? Salut, Marie. Ça va bien? Et toi? Hi, Mary. I'm fine. And you? Ça va, merci. Tu as passé une bonne journée? I'm fine, thank you. Did you have a good day? Oui, c'était une journée agréable. Et toi? Qu'as-tu fait aujourd'hui? Yes, it was a pleasant day. And you? What did you do today? Super! Tu veux prendre un café? Great! Do you want to have a coffee? Oui, avec plaisir. Allons-y. Yes, with pleasure. Let's go. Alors, comment va ta famille? So, how is your family? Ils vont bien, merci. Et ta sœur, comment va-t-elle? They are doing well, thank you. And your sister, how is she? Elle va bien aussi. Elle étudie toujours à l'université. She's doing well too. She's still studying at the university. C'est bien. Quels sont tes plans pour le week-end? That's good. What are your plans for the weekend? Je vais probablement faire du sport et me reposer. I will probably play some sports and rest. Okay, you can practice later and just keep repeating until you have a sense of speaking it naturally. Okay, so next in this segment, I'll present a monologue related to today's theme, the basic greeting. I'll have a voiceover generated by AI first, so we can listen to it, and then we will practice speaking by our own.
Bonjour, je m'appelle John. J'ai 25 ans. Je suis français. Je viens de Paris, mais maintenant j'habite à Lyon. Je travaille comme ingénieur dans une entreprise de technologie. J'aime lire des livres, voyager et faire du sport. J'aime lire des livres, voyager et faire du sport.
Bonjour, je m'appelle John. Hello, my name is John. J'ai 25 ans. I am 25 years old. Je suis français. I am French. Je viens de Paris, mais maintenant j'habite à Lyon. I come from Paris, but now I live in Lyon. Je travaille comme ingénieur dans une entreprise de technologie. I work as an engineer in a technology company. J'aime lire des livres, voyager et faire du sport. I like to read books, travel, and play sports. Et vous, comment vous appelez-vous? And you, what is your name? Okay, so this is just the basic introduction and greetings. Okay, this is just the first session, so don't get too overwhelmed with everything. And excellent. Next, we have a grammar review. So lastly, we have monologues that help us get comfortable with speaking longer sentences in French. Now let's review some key grammar points. Today we'll focus on personal pronouns and the verb être or to be. Here are some examples and practice exercise. Personal pronouns in French are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. The verb être conjugates as follows. Je suis, tu es, il, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. So let's try some sentences. So, example, je suis étudiant. I am a student. Tu es professeur. You are a teacher. Il est ingénieur. He is an engineer. Elle est médecin. She's a doctor. Nous sommes amis. We are friends. Vous êtes en retard. You are late. Ils sont étudiants. They are students. Il for plural can be all males or males and females, but elles sont étudiantes. They are students for all females. Okay, let's practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of être. Je suis contente. I am happy. Tu es étudiante. You are a student. Elle est française. She is French. Well, even though we have different written form of a for tu, il, tu and il or elle, but the pronunciation is the same, like tu es étudiant and elle est française. Yeah, they are the same. Nous sommes à l'école. We are at school. Vous êtes médecin. You are doctors. and ils sont en vacances. They are on vacation. Okay, here are some vocabulary and key phrases. Bonjour, hello, or good morning. Salut, hi, or hello. This is for more informal setting. Comment ça va? How are you? Ça va bien, I'm fine. Merci, thank you. Tu as passé une bonne journée? Tu as passé une bonne journée? Did you have a good day? Oui, yes. Non, no. Qu'as-tu fait aujourd'hui? What did you do today? Qu'as-tu fait aujourd'hui? Qu'as-tu fait? Qu'as-tu fait aujourd'hui? Travailler, to work. Promenade, walk. Café, coffee. Allons-y, let's go. Alors, so, famille, family. Ils vont bien, they are doing well. Sœur, sister. Elle va bien, she's doing well. Université, university. We also have quels sont tes plans? What are your plans? Quels sont tes plans? We can faire du sport, to play sports. Se reposer, to rest. Je m'appelle, my name is. J'ai 25 ans, I'm 25 years old. 25, 25. Je suis français or je suis française for feminine. Je viens de, j'habite à, je viens de, I come from. J'habite à, I live in. Je travaille comme, I work as. And then entreprise, company. Technology. J'aime, I like. Lire, to read. Livre, books. Voyager, to travel. Faire du sport, to play sports. Et vous and you. And that's a wrap, guys, for our first session on basic greetings in our practical French program. I hope you found these exercises and examples helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep repeating these dialogues and monologues to boost your confidence and proficiency. In this session, we covered basic greetings, a practical conversation, a monologue, and essential grammar points. All these components are designed to provide a comprehensive introduction to French. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Polymathletic for more educational content. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next session. Keep learning and stay motivated. Don't worry if you are still a learner, because I am. I am learning both English and French, so forgive me if I have a broken or unclear English or French, because yeah, this channel is dedicated for learning, for myself and for others to watch as well. So see you in the next video. À bientôt.